Well, welcome along to another episode. You join us as we are just about to load this JCB 370X. It is the largest machine that JCB produce, and it is weighing in roughly around about 40 tons. So it's nice to get our hands on this machine. It is the first time for me loading this particular model, so it is nice to get a hold of the machine and see what it can actually, what it's actually like inside, and have a little drive of it onto the trailer. Like, obviously we can't see what it can do because all we're doing is putting it on the trailer and pulling it off later on. So while we are prepping this trailer now, ready for loading and to take this 40-ton machine, just want to say, make sure you like the video, comment down below what you think of it, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And if you'd like to help the channel out, there's a few ways of doing it. Firstly, you can become a channel member, or you can hit the super thanks button all down below the video. Another way then, you can buy us a coffee, where the link is in the description, and I'll take you to where you can do that. So them are the ways you can help the channel out, but obviously the most is commenting and subscribing to the channel. And if you've already done that, then why not consider liking the video as well? That does make a big difference to me, and obviously being a small YouTuber, it does make a big difference to the video, so it just sends everything the right way where they should be. So what I'm actually doing by here now, going back to the video, is moving the bed out to 3.2 meters wide. So it's a hydro bed, so it actually moves the entire bed out. You can see it there just if you look down by the tires. So I'm going to leave you to this, and we're going to watch us pull on the machine. Now remember, stay tuned for Friday. That's when the full episode comes out, so you'll actually see me take this machine where it needs to be. So remember to tune in for that one, 10 o'clock on Friday. That's going to be live from. And other than that, I'll leave you enjoy this video, and we'll catch you back at the end. So that's us come to the end of the video and us loaded and ready to make our way onto the destination. Now if you want to see the full video of this, then tune in on a Friday at 10 o'clock, from 10 o'clock, and you can watch it anytime on YouTube. It's going to be here on the channel, so make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss out. If you've liked the video, then hit the like down below. If you want to ask any questions, then comment down below and I'll surely be able to answer you. Other than that, if you'd like to help the channel out, like I said earlier on in the video, then please do. And you can do that in a couple of ways, just by hitting the join button down below or hitting the super thanks, depending on what you want to do. If you want to buy us a coffee, then there's a link in the description. It'll take you to how you can do that as well. So like I said before, tune in on Friday. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss that video, and we will see you out on the road. Don't forget to say hi if you do see me, give me a toot. And yes, that's it for this video, so thank you very much for watching, and until next time, bye bye.